You reckon Iwobi's gonna score?
I'm going to go Iwobi's, Juwan and Ramsey.
I don't know about Iwobi, I'm not sure about that. We haven't had a good start, Dad. At all. Terrible start.
He's dropped a lot of them though, hasn't he?
Well, he's put Ramsey as captain. Don't know why he's put Ramsey as captain. Don't understand what he's doing.
No, but
here.
what's his name couldn't play, could he? Zaka.
Why?
He got suspended.
Come on.
I love him.
I love him.
I
love him. I know what.
So what we've needed.
Oh!
Yes, Red!
Oh!
That's gone in!
Oh my
it's gone
God!
Sick.
Did it actually go over the line? Oh my God.
See, I don't know if I enjoy goals like that.
Oh my God, no,
I'll take
as I'm telling you.
I'll take it.
I'll take it.
I'm a bit baffled by this wall. He's left space. He's put the wall.
No, he's got the wall covering this post here and he's taken the other.
But it's not in line with the post.
Well, you don't know from here, do you?
Oh,
He knew what he was doing.
Oh, get it out!
fuck off!
I knew it!
Fuck's sake.
I knew it! Come on. Take Iwobi off.
Go on. He's in.
Come on!
Ah!
He's going to call you.
Oi!
Oh! Go on! Go on, Brad!
Get in! Don't be injured though. Don't be injured though.
Yes!
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 They're fucking kicking the shit out of us.
Oh! He's injured. Oh,
Get in!
Where's your man? Where's your man? Where's your man? Where's your man? Where's your man?
No!
What?
What are they doing? What are they doing? Showing us a fucking foul.
What happened now? Just say I like the dogs.
Oh my God, that Lingard as well, Natalie. You better bring him up and take him.
Get out! Get out!
These guys ain't talking to each other now.
They're pissing me off.
Come on, boys. A chest, really? Go on. Go on, boy.
Come on.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Hey.
God!
Now go this way.
Oh, good. Come on.
Good.
Oh, you
Ah! Ah!
Come on, we're going to score now. Come on.
In!
Grab that shoe.
Offside! 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 Oh, you fucking piece of shit!
Offside.
Ah!
I told you we were going to score, but I didn't think we were going to be offside.
Piece of shit!
Oh!
Ref is gone now anyway, ref. As soon as it comes in, it's gone. It is Man United though, it is Old Trafford.
Oh, good.
Yes! That's it. I'll take that. You know what? Considering the stupid goal we let them have,
Should have won. I'm exhausted.
I would have taken that at the beginning. I would have taken that.
We just filmed another episode of For the Fans with our very special guest today, Locksmith from Rudimental.
Hey, how you doing?
And to say the least, I'm exhausted. We just watched 2-2. Fair result?
I'll take that result, but we could have won.
Could have won. You'll see.
And that makes it difficult.
They'll see from our reactions exactly what we really felt about the game. But as you can see now, I'm exhausted. So
thanks for having me.
I'm very, very excited to have you here, and you've been a very, very good person to watch the game.
I'm not coming back here for you, I'm coming back for your dad.
Yeah, sure. It's always the case, always the case.